847-658-8989.
We offer everything that somebody would want to do to improve their home for remodeling. We have all the divisions, including siding, roofing, windows, carpentry, which consists of all your major remodeling from an addition to a bathroom update to I just want to convert a room in my home. We also offer handyman services. Those will be your smaller repairs that are just that nuisance of one or two things you need to get done around your home.
The top here, it's perfect. They just did a great job.
People have been very satisfied, and we know that the people that we give them you could trust in the home.
What we had Mega do was come out and talk to us about the possibility of eliminating one of the columns down here. Was a suggestion of the braces on each side to keep the cost down rather than tearing out the entire ceiling. And it's been a great trade-off.
It was very clean, very quick, and opened up the basement immediately. We can place our couch, our furniture anywhere in the area, and we have a good vantage point of watching our TV.
We want everybody to be at ease when they call us and get the feeling that we're really out there to, take complete care of the people and give them a job that they, have paid for.
They did a beautiful job, and in 2 days it was completely done.
The only reason we knew they were here is because of the floor runners that they had to protect the floors.
847-658-8989.